Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. I'm back again tonight for a second time, guys. I am bringing to you tonight future project number 5. If you want to see what that's going to be, I'll see you in 2 seconds. Alright guys, the suspense is over. Future project number 5 is going to be the Pendant Macrame and bowl light pendant. Okay guys, I believe I have everything I'm going to need, but you know, always in the process something else gets added. But the basic stuff here will be the styrofoam poster board, which is I think it's 20 by 30, but we're going to use the vertical way. This is a macrame plant hanger, or whatever you want to hang. You can make it tight enough you can hang fruit in it, but this should be closed off on the bottom. I was going to use this for here, but I want to show you guys how I made it. Yep, there we go. So I'm going to put this to the side. I also have a light fixture. This also has the light switch on the cord. I have a bowl, a round bowl, and I think this is the 8-inch bowl, if I'm not mistaken. I have heavy duty wire. That's what I will be using to make the hook for the macrame plant hanger, which will be a light pendant hanger. Heavy duty wire cutter and needle nose pliers, and I have this cotton string or cord or thread, whatever you want to call it. All right guys, the first thing you want to do is wind your string around the board here, and you wind it. But what you need to know is, once this is I don't know, you wind as much as you want, as thick as you want it, but I'm just going to show you how thick we're going to do this. And keep in mind that you're going to cut this, so you're going to go by how thick this one side gets, because you're going to cut one side of it and to extend it out into a longer piece. So if this is 30, it'll be 60 inches once you cut it in half. So I'm going to speed through this process, and I'll see you guys for the next step. Then what you do is you gather your string at the top, because you're going to pull off one side and cut it. Cut this in half. So I'm doing it from this end. Grab it off. Just pull it off just like that. Good pair of scissors. And there we go. That's why I said make it look as thick as you want it. And this is about as thick as I have it. I'm going to twist it around so you can see about how thick that is. Okay guys, so like I said, we're going to make the hook for this. Ooh, move that out the way. And this is probably about, I'm not even trying to see how many inches it really is, so I'm going to say this is probably about 8 inches of wire. And what I need to do is curl it some kind of way where first I'm going to start off, this is the shape I have so far. Then I'm going to bring this around all the way over like this, because I want this to have an S shape. Like that. Now, let's see how this is going to hang through. I needed this to thread through. Let's see. We want to put it in through this way first. And there. This way, it'll be hanging, plus this can adjust up and down. It'll be able to adjust up and down however far you need this to hang from the top of the vase, like this. This right here. And it also needs to be threaded through. Let me see how I'm going to do that. And so all I do is push all of this through. Try to push it through evenly. Missed one. Like this. And this comes around. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bind this up. And this right here, I'm going to bind this up with string until all of this will be hidden. And I'll show you what I mean as I go along. I'm just going to keep winding it up, guys, and I'll be back after it's wound up more. Alright, I've wound this yarn around, all the way around, down to where I want it to be, which is about right at the tip, the top of the fixture, where the bulb goes. And so I'm going to now tuck this in and, ooh, I don't have any glue ready, but I'm going to tuck this in. Spin it and tuck it in. There we are. Okay, I have my cords divided in half equally. And so I'm going to take the 1/2 and I'm going to half it. I'm going to eyeball half it. And I'm going to tie a knot. Make a knot as close to the top of the, where I wrap the rope at, as close to the neck as possible. Oops. And this is what I mean. I part it in 4s and I put knots in all the way to the neck. Split one of the quarters in half split it in half and bring it down. You take a half of the other half. And you tie them together. Like that. As you see, it's starting to look like this. Well, this has many more. This has like 8 knots to start from the top. I'm only doing 4. Alright guys, we continue that same pattern. You take half of the half, you take half of one knot, half of the other knot, and you tie them together. There you see, it's already starting to have that webbed look, and that's just the top. Okay, at this point, I want to take my bowl to see how I want it to sit. It'll be about like that. Alright guys, this is what it is so far. And I'm saying so far is because I think I want to paint the bowl. I want to put a design on the bowl. Alright, this is what I mean. These are hand-painted plates that I've done. This one. This one here, very colorful. Come on, focus. There we go. This one is plain on the back. I mean, I didn't put a bottom coat on or top coat on, because when you put a candle behind this, it looks like a stained glass window. And that was the purpose of not putting a base on the back. Alright guys, I'm back. This is day number 2. Got late last night. So what I wound up doing is I finished putting lines in the bowl. And yeah, I didn't go through that with you guys. I will do that another time, save that for another video on how I do my lines and to prepare my glass to be painted. And these are the colors that I'll be using. Alright guys, here it is all painted. And I just have to let it dry. Alright guys, I've already sprayed a sealer inside. You can see how shiny it is. And I used the Mod Podge Luster, Gloss and Luster, and it's an acrylic sealer, and it dries clear. And you see I even put tissue around the outside because I didn't want the sprays or the mist from this to make the outside messy. So, and what I didn't show you earlier, and I decided to put on the bottom of the plant hanger, or the pendant hanger, are these gems. These are the acrylic diamond cut teardrop gems. And I think that'll be really cute with the colors from the bowl reflecting. What do you think? I think that's going to be cute. But anyway, guys, I will be back with the final result in 2 seconds. And here is the final result. I also put the acrylic gems at the top of the pendant as well as the bottom for the colors to reflect. And here it is, guys. I think it looks pretty. It's definitely giving ambiance. So if you guys like the content that I put out in my video today, give me a thumbs up for a like. Hit that subscribe button for those of you who are new to my channel, and hello to my new subscribers. Also, guys, hit that share button and the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will know. And look out for that future DIY video coming your way soon. Bye-bye.